some hair ties. I use the hair ties to put my hair up in a ponytail. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different of everything I've done in the past, at least in this channel, because today we're gonna talk about what's inside my makeup bag. And this video is not just gonna be like a makeup tutorial, which I'm definitely not an expert, but you're gonna learn a lot of vocabulary about makeup, all the tools and the verbs that we use when we're gonna do our makeup. So stay until the end for you to learn everything about what's in my makeup bag. I'm not gonna use everything today, so here's my makeup bag. And as you can see, it's so heavy, it's full of products. Even though my makeup seems very natural, I really like makeup secretly. First of all, we have this. This is a brush. We use this brush to apply the makeup, to put on some powder on my skin. Next thing we have is primer. Primer is something that we use to prepare the skin. This is like a cream, like a moisturizer, and it helps us get a better texture for the skin. Now we have this sponge. This is a beauty blender or sponge, and we use it to blend. To blend means to mix. We mix the products, or we blend the products on our skin for the makeup to look natural. That's the look that I want to achieve today. I also have some hair ties. I use the hair ties to put my hair up in a ponytail. And I love this one. Next thing we have is lipstick. We have lipstick. I almost never use lipstick, but I have some just in case I change my mind at some point. We have two types of blush. We have powder blush, which is this one. It's more common to find it. We have powder blush, and then we have cream blush. We use the blush on our cheeks to look younger, to look happy. Also in my bag I have tweezers. These tweezers are used to pluck your hair. Sometimes I have hair on my eyebrows and I need to pluck them, so I use my tweezers. I have some eyelashes. Today I didn't use eyelashes, but sometimes I like to use fake eyelashes because it looks super beautiful. I think I love eyelashes. And of course we have lash adhesive, which is glue for the eyelashes. You use this little glue here to stick the eyelashes. Before we get into the tutorial part of this video, remember to check all the links that I left on the description box, because I left you many resources for you to continue learning English. First of all, we're gonna start with skincare. I have a face spray, this one. This is the one that I'm using right now, so I just put some spray. Now I'm going to apply my moisturizer. I put a little bit on the palm of my hand, and now I'm gonna put it all over my face. Next step is sunscreen. So I think I need a mirror. Wait, here it is. What I love about this sunscreen is that it has a little bit of color. Next step, I'm gonna apply some foundation. And I love this one because it's super natural. Sometimes I just use my fingers, but now I'm gonna use just a beauty blender, which is this sponge. Next step is applying translucent powder, which means it has no color. I just use it to seal my foundation. Translucent means no color, and to reduce the oily skin. Next step is the blush. It gives you just a little bit of color. I love to have like a W, so W, because I like to have blush cheeks. I love that. I think it's super cute, and it makes you look younger. I'm just gonna blend it. It means to mix it with the rest of the colors. I also have this blush. I like to mix both colors, and I put a little bit here, a little bit here. Now we're gonna do some contouring. I'm gonna use this one. I like to put some on my eyelids to give some, to make my eyes deeper, and then I put the rest on my nose, and then I use the same brush that I use for the blush for my cheeks, for around the face. Also, I put some contouring under the eye. Yeah, I like it. Now we're gonna use eyeliner. I'm gonna use this one. As you can see, I love Pixie, so I'm gonna use this one. The color is Velvet Cocoa. I love it because it's brown, and once again, it's very, very natural. Also, I like to use eyeliner under my eye. I'm gonna use this one. We are almost done, but now we're going to my favorite part, mascara. I'm gonna use this one, Pixie. I love it because I love the natural look. Now we need to do the eyebrows. I just give them a little bit of color, and then we put some gel on it. Perfect. So I use this one from Pixie too. It's a pencil, and then there's the gel as well. I never really use lipstick, even when I'm going to record videos. So what I do, I take a little bit of napkin or paper towel, whatever, and then I just remove the excess of foundation or powder, everything. I just do like that. And that's it. Really, that's pretty much everything I do. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was super useful and helpful. Hopefully you learned something new today. I thought it was fun and different. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and join my Telegram community. What do you have on your makeup bag? Let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.